and then it's gonna come right off for you. Just come right off. We have to say bye. It stay on really well though. I tried to start picking them and I said, wait a minute, I'm gonna show you, so then if just in case that you are want to see, and if you're doing it, there's a lot of you still asking was, I think it's Debbie who asked today with when Sarah going live, and she's asking if I'm doing my nails. I don't know how we're interested in, but I always having so much fun doing my own nails, and I'm so OCD too, so hope you're enjoying it, because I don't know how much you like to look at this, because I don't want to miss it. And like, if I do it already and everybody, what? You done your nails already and we didn't get to seeing it. They all stay on really good. Look at this. It's really cool. If you don't have this clippers, using your e-file, and just file around on the edges and then break the seal of condensed glue gels and precision glue, and then you can easy, it's like, but just try not to get in like a really expensive and brand new cuticle nipper. It's gonna you're wasting it, because they're not gonna come off easy. But if you're using the e-file and break the seal a little bit, or soak it on the acetone, it's gonna come off. Love and say bye to this, everyone. Hi, Tammy. Just to show you, if you all have a jewelry on, you see how hard it is stay on. I have to have this clipper, or else it take me forever. Well, soak work great too, but it take a little bit longer time. All gone. Great. Oh my god, you can see all the jewelries on my right here. Let's take it all off. How everyone doing today? Hey, Kenzie. Hey, Anna's Nails. Sunflower, hey, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're going to do my nails. I don't know how much you're excited about it. I'm excited about getting my nails done. Hi, Lyras. The glam girl, hello, how are you? Thank you, Tina. So, Tina, I'm gonna do this design instead of the others. The others looks cool, but then we're going to do this with chandelier and crystal. So I'm excited. Let's see. Teresa, I have issue when do my nail lip. Any suggestions? Regan, Flores. Oh, thank you so much, Teresa. Teresa, I was sharing it that already. Oh, hi, Debbie. I want to say hello to everyone. All right, so great question and a great answer. Yes, if you have the liftings on your cuticles, is mostly like the preppings and the cleaning after you finish with liquid and powder as well. So I am removing this using the medium beads. I will not using like tornadoes or coarse. This is a really not embraces. The beads right here, I'm using just the medium grit to just remove all my excess shampoo foils and some residue of glue gels in the top coat here. So then I can able to get that nice and prepping for my fill. It's coming up. Hoping you can see it. I might have to move a little bit down here. There you go. Thank you. Can you read the questions? I'm removing all this first before I and I want to clean at the cuticles in just a bit. Look like I'm using a lot of like on the tip of this, but actually it's not. I'm using the body of the beads. Let's get more. I'm gonna move that one a little bit away. Just really get all the dust over here. It's harder to do your own nails though, instead of doing a client's nails or someone else's nails. Hey Tammy, thank you. Just excited to just watch. Because every time if I get my nails done and then I'll get doing live and everybody said, oh, I want to see your nails. This is one of the tip and trick for a lot of beginners. If you start using or doing any, like even filings or shaping or painting, anything, always have the stationaries one fingers under, so you can hold your fingers without having it shaky, and it's more stable for you. And everybody use different fingers to support it. I think for stationery, you can using this finger, or you can using this finger. Doesn't matter. However, is work the best for you. That is some of my personal experience. But you can try see which one you like the best, and go from there. Yes, I got all of this removed. Most of it, I think. Good. So now, let me dust it off. Dust myself, my hands off right here. So you can see it better. Let me remove this one so it doesn't look so dust over here. You grab me the brush. I have my brush, another brush right here to dust this quick off. Thank you. All right, so everybody see okay now? So you don't want that to leave it all the dust there for everyone to see. Great. So now you can see that I remove it. You make sure you remove all this so in order for you to see. So either with the clients or for yourself, usually I'm gonna push back the cuticles because you can see how much is growing out. And this nail is not bad at all. It doesn't have any of lifting. It's just like a growing out. So you make sure you push back the cuticles, and before you start using the sand bead to cleaning this nails, the dead cuticles and all that excess acrylics that is growing out before you start filling the nails in. So if not, then it's just gonna be lifting really bad. So thank Sarisa for that sharing it. She's sharing it's absolutely perfect. Some push the cuticles. Push back the cuticle. Great. Now you can see that how much is growing out, and this part need to be really good cleaning before we can do any of fill in for the nails. So great. I'm gonna change my ceramics beads in medium to I'm just using a medium's sand bead, which is I can clean around the cuticles. And I'm gonna share with different beads as well. So let's do this one first. Hi Bella. I just wanna say hello to everyone on Instagram. I couldn't get it right in front of me. So just wanna make sure I'm really excited to see you ladies tuning in. So this is really like a perfect grease for it. Either you use a fine or medium, it's work great. So you can see that I'm going along with the cuticles and clean a lot of like dead cuticles around and make sure they're all good and cleans all that like old part of acrylics, which is hanging off there. Make sure I prep it really good before I can start doing a filling. The motions I'm using, I'm doing it like it's really soft. It's not like too rough on the nails. Can Instagram seeing it? Just make sure you all ladies seeing it. This is important. If you don't prep this really well, like cleaning it really well, it's gonna lift in like 1 or 2 days. I have to say every single procedures on that prepping and after you doing your fills and cleaning it is important as well. You can see that after 2 weeks or 3 weeks of my nails, their shape is not like a shape that used to be before. It's okay, we're gonna reshape them and then make them look really nice again. And it's just like a little bit because it's wear and tear, so then the shape is just not precise like I want it. But it's okay, we can reshape them because we're doing a feel, so we shouldn't doing like whole and tie the nails, like cleaning whole and tie the nail and build structure of the nails because it's just fun to do my own nails. I don't know if anyone is excited and like to do your own nails, but I feel like relaxing and it's so satisfying. Sorry, because I under camera, so I have to move different ways. So hope